To fix a Samsung TV that is not connecting to Wi-Fi, several potential issues can be considered. These include a temporary glitch, incorrect network settings, or a weak Wi-Fi signal. A temporary glitch in the TV or router can cause connectivity problems, which can often be resolved by restarting both devices. This can be done by unplugging them from the power source, waiting a few minutes, and then plugging them back in. After restarting, wait a few minutes for the TV to connect to the Wi-Fi and the router to boot up. If restarting does not work, resetting the network settings may be necessary. To do this, go to the TV's menu section, select Settings, and then choose All Settings. Next, select Connection and then Network, and click the Reset Network option. After resetting, navigate back to the Network Settings section and reconnect to the Wi-Fi network. In some cases, the issue may be due to a weak Wi-Fi signal, which can occur if the TV is not close to the router. To address this, check the Wi-Fi signal strength by looking at the number of bars. If the signal is weak, try moving the router closer to the TV to ensure a stronger connection. By following these steps, it should be possible to fix a Samsung TV that is not connecting to Wi-Fi.